How to dispute a charge on an American Express. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to dispute a charge on American Express. Whether you are using application or browser, just head over to the American Express and make sure you're successfully logged into your account. If you're using browser just like me, just head over to this americanexpress.com and make sure you have successfully signed into your account over here. And once you do that, head over to your home section, and under the home section, under this latest transaction option, if you have one, then you should see all of your latest transactions. So now simply choose any one of these where you want to put a dispute on. So let's say I want to choose this one, and once you choose the particular transaction, just enlarge this button over here, and here you should see all of your details. And now just tap on this option that is have a question about this charge, and from over here you will be taken to this page where you'll simply have to provide a reason for providing dispute against this transaction. And once you choose any one of these and simply click on continue, and just like that you have successfully put a dispute on that particular charge. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.